Welcome to Cook Everything. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean and prepare mushrooms before cooking. So here we have some nice large button mushrooms. This technique will work on any sort of mushroom that the stem actually goes inside the cap. So it could be creminis or portobellos or anything like that. So first we're just going to remove the stem from each mushroom. The way you do that is just simply by pressing the stem in any direction until you hear it kind of break, and it'll just come apart from the cap fairly easily, just like so. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is take your knife at the base of the mushroom where the stem was, and there should be a thin layer of skin that you could just grab onto, like you see here, and peel it off. And once you do that, you actually realize how dirty looking these mushrooms are. And this is optional. However, I do recommend it, especially if you are going to be serving these mushrooms in a salad, or maybe you're going to slice them really thin and put them in a soup. Let's be honest, nobody wants to look at all that dirt on the outside. They want to see a nice squeaky clean mushroom. And it's actually not dirt, it's probably peat moss or whatever kind of medium they use to grow the mushrooms in, but regardless, they look 100 times better after you do this. And if you're not comfortable using a knife, you can grab a spoon and peel them with a spoon. You could actually probably even peel them by hand. So here's a couple ways we can cut the mushrooms. We can half them, which I like because it leaves a nice flat surface to get some color on whenever you're sauteing them in a pan. By cutting an X shape on the top, you can easily cut them into quarters, which is good for a stir fry. And if you want them even smaller, you can cut each quarter in half and you end up with eighths. Another way you can slice the mushroom is by placing the tip of your knife on your cutting board, angling your knife blade up and just pulling straight back. And that is it. You can slice these however thick or thin you would like using the same technique. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you learned something. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, subscribe.